Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aldiansyah. Here I will explain material about hardware and computers. Okay, this for material 1. Hardware. What is hardware? Hardware, or better known as hardware, is all types of components in a computer where the physical parts can be seen with the naked eye or can be felt physically. How hardware works? The way hardware works is based on 3 basic commands or instruction sets. With these commands, hardware can carry out various instructions that have been given. Here are the 3 basic commands. And number 1, basic input instruction. Instruction that can provide information to software, in this case the operating system, using a driver intermediary. For example, when we click on an application with mouse. Number 2, basic process instruction. These instructions serve as an intermediary between input and output process. These instructions only occur in a hardware, not the computer system as a whole. Number 3, basic output instruction are instructions that occur when there is a command to use the hardware from the user. And this for hardware function. In order to better understand what hardware is as a whole, here are some of the functions of hardware in a computer system. Function number 1, accepting input. The first role of hardware is as a receiver of input given by the device, user, or user. For example, when you turn on the CPU by pressing the on button to turn on the computer. Number 1, providing output. Another important role of hardware is to provide a series of functions or outputs needed by the device user after receiving input. The output will then be given to the user. Number 3, a place to store information and data. Have you ever experienced an error when your computer hardware component is damaged? This is because hardware also functions as a place to store information and data such as SD cards and RAM. Number 4, processing information and data. In addition to function as a place to store data and information, hardware also functions as a place to process the data and information so that it can be read on your computer screen. And these 4 types of hardware. Input hardware: mouse, microphone, keyboard, and webcam. Output hardware: headphone, earphone, printer, printer thermal, printer 3D. And processing hardware, control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, register and chess. Storage hardware, ROM, hard disk, flash disk, solid state disk drive. Thank you for material 1. Next, material 2. This for material 2, computer. What is a computer? A computer is a set of electronic devices that can be used to process data according to previously formulated procedures, so that it can provide very useful information for each user. Definition of computer according to expert. Number 1, William Forey. According to William Forey, the definition of a computer is a data processing tool that performs large and fast calculation, including arithmetic and logic calculation, and these calculations do not involve human intervention. Number 2, Robert Blismer. According to Robert Blismer, the definition of a computer is an electronic device that is capable of performing several tasks, including receiving input, processing input, storing commands, and producing output in the form of information. Number 3, Donald Sanders. According to Sanders, the definition of a computer is an electronic system used to manipulate data quickly and accurately, designed and organized so that it can automatically receive and store data, process data to produce output based on commands that have been stored in memory. Number 4, William and Sawyer. According to Williams and Sawyers, the definition of a computer is a multi-purpose machine that can be programmed, can receive data, facts, and raw image, and process or manipulates the data into information that can be used by the user. In general, a computer consists of 3 main elements, including number 1, hardware. In a hardware device consists of a processor, RAM, hard disk, motherboard, and CPU. Number 2, software, namely the operating system and also various applications that are entered into the hardware and work according to the user commands. Number 3, brainware, computer user or operator who use a computer. Computer components. Input components. This component is a hardware component that has a function as a command giver for various tasks that will be given to the computer. Some of these input components include mouse and trackpad, tools that connect brainware to the monitor screen, pen for touchscreen. Its function is similar to a mouse, but its shape is like a pen. Scanner, a tool for scanning images to be entered into a computer system. Microphone, a tool for inputting data in audio form. Process components. These components has a function to process data or process commands given by firmware, which are then displayed on the output component. Some of the process components include processor is the main component in the data processing process. Motherboard is a component that connect various other components in a computer. Hard disk is a component for storing permanent data in a computer. For example, the computer's operating system. Output components. Components that have the function of displaying information from commands that have been processed by the computer. Some output components include monitor, a computer component that can display the process being carried out by a computer. Printer, a component that can print information in hard copy form. Speaker, a component that can produce output in the form of audio or sound. Maybe that's all from me. I apologize if there are any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.